Hey everyone, it's Julie. Hope everyone's having a great day today. And I just want to share one of my favorite things to drink in the world that I drink every morning is green tea and its amazing health benefits. So green tea has so many great benefits. It's loaded with powerful antioxidants and nutrients that is beneficial for your health. So green tea contains the compound polyphenols that have high levels of therapeutic activity and anti-cancer activity. So here are the many reasons why you should be drinking green tea. Okay. It promotes weight loss, it clears your skin, and it's also anti-aging. That's one of the first things that I noticed about green tea. It helps with belly fat too. I noticed my belly fat is not as big as before, so which is a great thing. It also regulates glucose levels. It also lowers blood pressure, bad cholesterol, and maintains good cholesterol. Green tea also improves digestion and brain function. It promotes healthy gums and improved eyesight, and eases inflammation and pain associated with rheumatoid arthritis. So that's a plus for anybody who is suffering with that. And it also boosts your immune system. Last but certainly not least, it provides a calming effect and relief from stress. So grab your cup of green tea and drink some every day.